Alright, people. I'm gonna unbox my Fidget toys. Fidget toys. Alright. Just arrived. I don't know. So I think from China. Fidget toy. Oh my goodness, it's a lot. Oh, whoa, it's a lot. See? Fidget toy. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16? Why 16? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay. Start this one. What is this? The warning. What is the warning? I cannot see. Okay, next. This green. Yellow green, I think. This is nice. Yellow green. Hey. Fidget toy. What? Where's the eyes? This one. Okay. Okay, next. What is this? Fidget toy, red fidget toy. I don't know what's the name of this. It's a Santa. Hey. Santa fidget toy, look. You have hand. Okay. Hi, Santa. Cute. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Okay, this one. Do I look like a baby? Oh, what is this? It's an egg. Huh? Wait. What is this?
It's a unicorn.
Unicorn? Okay. Help me. Because I don't know. I'm just computing the baby's toy. Baby's toy. What is this?
Carrot.
Carrot? Where is the eye? Here. What? Side. Carrot. Carrot. Next. It's a tree. Where? This one. That's nice. Yellow tree. Ooh. Okay. This is cheese. Mouse cheese? I don't know if this is mouse. Okay. Ah, mouse. Pink mouse cheese. Like my brown mouse. Oh, this is cute. I think they have battery on this. All is made from China. Hey! Cute. It's nice. I thought they have battery. Oh, look. Look at that. Oh. Look. Press here. It's like a balloon. I really like this one. So next, the blue one. Hey, what happened? Hard to get. Wait for that one. Oh, what is this? A bear. Oh, what is this? Yellow. Ha! Cute! Hello Kitty! Hello Kitty! Okay. So, this one. Oh, that one. Oh, a frog. Is that a frog? Frog. And then, next. What is this? Wait. Alien. Alien. Next, the red. Oh. It's wet. Why is it wet? You have shell. Oh, it's. Oh. This is a squishy ball and it's red. I think something. I separate that because it's wet. And this is also alien. Hey, alien again. Squishy toy, fidget toy. I have 16 for this, and I already have 2 to open and all the toy. Oh, it's cute. Wait, this one, what is this? Astronaut. Okay, that's all. That's all for my PG toy. This one. Bye guys. That's all for my Fidget toy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, Fam Trevit channel. Thank you. Bye.